Do you ever hear this at your house?
Honey, when are you going to fix the kitchen faucet?
Today, we're talking about replacing the hose sprayer line in the sink faucet. So here's the sprayer hose, and you can see it is just losing all of its threading, all the nylon thread along here, and it's because we have this rough spot right here that we will file down and replace this. Now, since this is a Moen faucet, we were able to have a replacement free of charge. So to get started, you need to remove this connector right here on the hose, and then the one underneath, under the faucet, and that is way underneath here. But first, you got to remove all this crap underneath here. So you have to. So I set my flashlight in the corner, pointing up, so I can see everything. So this is the hose where it comes in from the sink, and this is the part that slides up. And of course it has this weight on it down here that weights it down to pull it. And here's the connector right here. So what we need to do is turn the water off before we connect this so we don't flood the place. Okay, we're out in the garage, and I have this panel back here. Unfortunately, it's behind the freezer that has my controls for shutting off each of the valves in the house. So we have to move that, open the panel, and go from there. So let's. Okay, I got one thing marked. Turn to open the panel. Panel opens up. We have all these defined as to which water we need to turn off. Then we'll turn off this hot water and this cold water, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're ready to test the sink. No water's coming out. We're good to proceed. So this fitting is the one that you have to take off, so it kind of pinches back. I'll turn this so it becomes a little easier to see. Like that. And this piece comes out, and we'll hold that over the water bucket to drain the water. Okay, so we've disconnected our hose from down below, so this should pull all the way out. Oh, except we have the weight on the bottom. So let's undo the weight, and then we'll be able to come back and pull this out. So here's our weight. We just have to, it's not very tight, so we'll have to contort our body to get in here to take this puppy off. It's pretty simple. There we go. Okay. Now we gotta come through a little kink there, and there we go. Okay, so we've put our hose slid back in here. We push this shut. Now that's tight. Now we just have to figure out where our weight's gonna go. Okay, in our weight, we have a little felt or rubber pad. And it looks like we lost it on this side. So when we clamp this on, it has too much friction, too little friction, and it slides. So we're gonna put a little tape in here to kind of beef up that side. Okay, so we're gonna put this weight right here, and that's good. So let's try this. Pull, and it slides back in. There we go. Now let's turn the water back on and see how she works. Okay, we got the hose in, the water on. There we go. Nice running faucet. Everything working. Let's check underneath. Here's our connection. No water dripping. Perfect. Here's our weight. Job complete.
Honey, when are you going to fix the kitchen faucet?
So if you like this video on faucet hose replacement, give me a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe down below and come back and see us real soon.